Hi there, this is Diamond with WTI, and if you're looking for a backpack for your diaper bag, day trip bag, work bag, look no further. Look at this gorgeous color, and what I love most about this is that it holds your water bottle. I mean, I've been looking for months, searching for the right bag because I love being hydrated. I live in Texas, it's really hot. This absolutely holds everything. Let me show you a couple of my favorite features.
I love how it's easy access, the way this opens up. It holds my laptop, my tablet, a few notebooks, and whatever you desire to put in there. It all fits. I like how it has little compartments everywhere. Even in the front pocket holds my wallet, my keys, and the side pocket has access to the whole bag except your electronics, which I love. And on the side here, if you have a portable charger, you just plug it in and you could have your phone charging on the side pocket. The zippers are made from a really nice material. The straps are really comfortable on, and it's not bulky. It looks really cute on.
So if you're looking for something that is high functional for your diaper bag, work bag, day trip bag, look no further. I absolutely love this product. I know you will too, but that is just our point of view.